In this video, we're going to be updating you guys on a variety of news coming out about SafeMoon, as well as the overall ledger issues that have been happening with this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Check out our WeBull link if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull, and check out our Patreon group if you guys want to join our private Discord. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, here we are with SafeMoon. As you can see here, this is the overall graph, and the price of SafeMoon still hovering around the 44315 level. If we zoom in here just a little bit, as you can see here, over the past couple of days, SafeMoon has had a bit of an interesting price action. It's had this huge dip right here, all the way down to the 22115 level, and since then has pretty much V-shaped recovered completely all the way back to the previous levels that it was at, and then since then has kind of traded very tightly in this kind of consolidation type pattern. Now, overall, this coin was on a downward trend, and if we look at the chart here, it seems to be that there may be some upward moving resistance. We might be seeing a possible, this is possible of course, who knows, this is all speculation, but we could be seeing maybe a little bit of an uptrend. However, these new red candles right here that are forming might disagree with that a little bit. We'll have to see if this bounces and makes a higher high compared to this lower low here, and if that does happen, then that does mean that there is some support here, and SafeMoon could push higher. But let's talk about the news going on with SafeMoon right now. That's overall the price action and everything, and of course we have the overall history of the price action, still well above where SafeMoon was at with the original hype phase. We of course Dave Portnoy, now full supporting member of the SafeMoon community, as well as a variety of other celebrities. We have all kinds of information that have come out just recently. We had an AMA not that long ago, just about a day or so ago. But the thing I really wanted to talk about in this video, and what I think is really driving a lot of fear and a lot of emotion right now, and not just the SafeMoon community, but in the DeFi community in general. And that is, of course, as you can see here, Ledger. Ledger, of course, is a very popular kind of flash drive hardware wallet that people use to store their cryptocurrency on. It is considered a kind of a hard storage place for your crypto, right? For Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever cryptocurrency you want to put on it. Now, the reason that we're seeing this on the SafeMoon Reddit, where it says just returned mine, and they're very happy about it, as you can see here, Ledger Nano S cryptocurrency hardware wallet, is because of some tweets in an article that Ledger wrote. Now, I will obviously inform you guys that this was written on May 21st, so this was a couple of days ago. I know that many of you might be thinking, oh, this is super old news, this is super late, but I would argue that it still holds a very firm grasp on the community. As you can see here, posted only 5 hours ago, and there's plenty of other posts on the subreddit basically saying we don't like Ledger, we don't like what they had to say about SafeMoon, and we are going to boycott them because of it. And if we take a look here, we can understand a little bit more why. For a lot of you too, you might not be familiar about why there's so much hatred for Ledger going on, so hopefully this video can give you guys some more information on it. Now, let's read these tweets that Ledger put out. In this balanced article, we give the necessary advice for newcomers who want to invest. We took the example of Shiba Inu and SafeMoon because these projects are seriously growing. No disrespect, just facts. And the article is Shiba Inu and SafeMoon, educate yourself. So first of all, this is Ledger obviously coming out as a authority figure in the space of cryptocurrency, which of course you can argue that that is probably the case. They are a hardware wallet company that is becoming more and more popular over the last couple of years and even months. And Ledger, for the most part, does make a very cool, interesting, good product. It makes the Ledger, which, the hardware wallet that they create, and I think it's cool. But the fact that they're coming out here and basically saying that they don't really, well, let's actually get into the article first so we can understand a little bit more what they're saying. This is the overall article, Shiba Inu and SafeMoon, educate yourself. You're gonna understand a lot more to why people are disagreeing with this article for the most part, and why they are returning or boycotting Ledger as a company. So let's go down to here, Shiba Inu. So most of this article just talks about kind of the history of cryptocurrency, the recent hype period that we've been experiencing with the bull market, and of course the meme coin kind of craziness that happened just about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So Shiba Inu, the latter is a self-proclaimed Doge killer, and meme token exchange platform is banking off of Dogecoin fame, using the now famous Shiba Inu face to attract users. Compared to SafeMoon, Shiba Inu is a more blatant meme coin. Recently, the anonymous creators of Shiba Coin sent Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, 50% of all Shiba in existence, hoping at best that Vitalik would endorse the project or at worst that he'd burn them and generate scarcity. Now, wanting to cause drama, Buterin got rid of 90% of those holdings, donating the last 10% to a COVID relief fund in India. That 10% was worth $1.2 billion, and the project value crashed shortly after. Users wanting to get in the next meme coin sensation got wrecked. And that is pretty much their kind of little description about SafeMoon, or Shiba, and then this is SafeMoon. SafeMoon is looking to build an NFT exchange, a video game, and other promised features. However, it's been more considered a meme coin for various reasons. Namely, one, Dave Portnoy, the founder of Barstool Sports, has been shilling, interesting use of that word, very provocative of them obviously not liking SafeMoon, despite having no idea how it works, and it could be a Ponzi scheme for all we know, he states. And generally, when a big figure promotes a coin, tons of regular day traders. So the rest of this article basically explains the risk with these types of coins, and it is essentially kind of using them as an example of what to look for in coins that Ledger apparently is deeming fraudulent or deeming scam likely, basically. And a lot of this information really pissed off a lot of Ledger users, and it made a lot of holders of SafeMoon very upset, as you can see here. And Shiba Inu, of course. They all are now kind of siding against Ledger, saying, of course, all of the typical responses, and I think many of you have probably already read them on the internet, but here is my take on Ledger's points about SafeMoon and Shiba Coin. Now, I think that SafeMoon and Shiba Coin are not blue chip cryptos. I do not think that they are 100% guaranteed to do amazing things. The projects behind them are still very much works in development. Shiba Inu is much more of a community-based meme coin. SafeMoon is much more of a community-based coin, less meme. There are memes, of course, that are being supported around it, but I would argue that none of these are what most people are claiming to be Ponzi schemes. And I think that the main issue with these is that people are saying that, oh, these people are going to rug pull, they're going to sell all of their value in the entire coin, and it's going to crash all the way down to nothing. And while that is entirely possible, I just don't think it's going to happen, at least with SafeMoon. I think that SafeMoon has so many celebrities and so many people backing this coin. There's been so much news and constant updates and progress in the actual progression of the work that's being done on this coin that I would argue that if they did that, lawsuits would likely ensue. A lot of people would be very, very upset with the team, and the team is open about who they are. It's not like this team is an anonymous type of group of individuals, because we've seen with other coins like this, they can pull the rug at any time, and when they pull it, a lot of people get burnt, and people had no idea who these people were running the coin. They just had their money in it, and all of a sudden one day they wake up and it's gone. It's valueless, it's worthless, because the creators of the coin took out their money. They got their worth, and they held probably 85% of the market cap of the entire coin, and they pulled it. So this is something, of course, to look out for, and this is something that everyone needs to be aware, especially in these days of meme coins and virality on social media and everything. But Ledger using SafeMoon and Shiba Inu as an example of what not to look for, I think is a little bit disingenuous, and I think it is following a bit of a herd mentality in elitism, especially in cryptocurrency right now, where if you're not a Bitcoin or Ethereum maximist or maximalist, whatever you want to call it, then you are, if somebody thinks, oh, you don't know what you're talking about, or you're not invested in the right things. Let people put money into what they want to put it into, as long as it's safe, as long as they're being as long as the risk reward ratio is good, as long as they're not being crazy with it. I really don't think it's that big of a deal. Most people don't have a lot of money in these coins to begin with. Of course, some do, but that is because they truly believe in it. And if they want to truly believe in it, that's fine. We live in a free world where we can do whatever we want as we please, and we don't really care about random people's opinions on the internet, especially people who run hardware wallets that are more made for larger cryptocurrencies, not like this, where you want to be able to get in and get out if this coin pumps. But overall, that's just my opinion on Ledger's kind of writing and reasoning for what they wrote about SafeMoon and Shiba Inu. Let me know in the comments, of course, what you guys think about this kind of FUD that they're spreading. I think it's kind of stupid in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it for SafeMoon. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Check out our WeBull link if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull, and check out our Patreon link if you guys want to join our private Discord. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle, Finance Bro. Take it easy.